Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Trend TV. This is Viprajesh. Skoda India have finally launched the Kodiaq facelifted SUV, available in 3 different trim levels, starting from Rs 34.99 lakh ex-showroom, going all the way up to Rs 37.49 lakh ex-showroom. The Skoda Kodiaq is still based on the very famous MQB platform from the Volkswagen Group, which also underpins the Volkswagen Tiguan. For this midlife facelift, Skoda has given the Kodiaq a slightly updated front fascia, with a more aggressive upright grille, an elevated bonnet, and updated front and rear bumpers. Apart from all these changes, the new Skoda Kodiaq also gets Matrix LED split headlamp setup with LED DRLs. This new facelifted Kodiaq also gets silver finished skid plates on the front and rear bumpers, while also offering a new rear spoiler and finlets on the sides of the rear windows to improve aerodynamics and reduce CO2 emissions. The new Skoda Kodiaq facelift also features updated LED tail lamps, which are accompanied by the light bar running across the width of the car on the lower part of the tailgate. On the inside, the new Skoda Kodiaq facelift gets more features with an updated interior color theme and new seat designs with multiple choices of upholstery depending on the variant you choose. As standard, all variants get leather upholstery. However, the Sportline variant gets suede black leather seats, while the LNK variant gets beige perforated leather seats. Apart from standard equipment including 18-inch alloy wheels, a panoramic sunroof, and smart key access with push-button start, the Kodiaq facelift also offers the 10.25-inch virtual cockpit digital instrument cluster as standard across all 3 variants. Also standard is the 8-inch touchscreen system with the 12 Canton speaker surround sound system. Apart from all this, the interior ambient mood lighting has also been updated to suit the updated interior color theme. The new Skoda Kodiaq facelift is also available in a sporty Sportline trim, which gets a more sportier exterior and interior with glossy black design elements, larger aggressive looking alloy wheels, and an all-black interior theme. The top-spec Laurent and Clement variant, on the other hand, offers a dual-tone interior color theme with more chrome bits on the interior and the exterior, while also offering more elegant-looking alloy wheels. All variants come as standard with features such as the massive panoramic sunroof, triple-zone automatic climate control, cruise control, automatic headlamps and wipers, along with 12-way power-adjustable front seats. While the massive panoramic sunroof is available as standard across all variants, heated and ventilated front seats are exclusive only for the top-spec LNK. And yes, all variants also provide wireless charging facility as standard. Apart from Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, all 3 variants also get the My Skoda connectivity app, which can be used to track your car, real-time speed tracking, geofencing, roadside assistance, SOS, live tracking, live location, and complete diagnostics. Standard safety features on the Skoda Kodiaq include 9 airbags including knee airbags, all-wheel disc brakes with ABS, electronic stability control, electronic brake force distribution, adaptive front light sensor, multi-collision braking, mechanical brake assist with hydraulic brake assist, anti-slip regulation, and electronic differential lock. The Indian Skoda Kodiaq comes as standard with the 2-liter 4-cylinder TSI turbocharged petrol engine producing 190 PS of maximum power and 320 Nm of maximum torque through a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. All 3 variants also come as standard with all-wheel drive system, offering multiple drive modes along with an electronic parking brake with auto hold function. That said, the 360-degree surround view camera along with hill descent control is available only on the top-spec LNK variant. In India, the Skoda Kodiaq range starts from Rs 34.99 lakh ex-showroom for the base level style variant. The second level Sportline is available at Rs 35.99 lakh ex-showroom, while the top-spec Laurent and Clement variant is available at Rs 37.49 lakh ex-showroom. Currently, this new facelifted Skoda Kodiaq will compete against the likes of the Volkswagen Tiguan and the Citroën C5 Aircross. That said, being a 7-seat SUV, the new upcoming Jeep Meridian 7-seat SUV is likely to be the direct competition for the Skoda Kodiaq. Stay tuned for our detailed reviews of the all-new facelifted Skoda Kodiaq SUV. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.